If you're a student in CSE or a recent graduate, chances are you've attended an in-person career fair before. Preparing for a virtual career fair is similar, but comes with a few key differences, and you may be wondering what to expect. This short video will make sure that you have everything ready for the fair, from your device, to your resume, to your attire. So let's get started. The best place to start is with your resume. Look at our resume guide linked in the video description to create or update your resume. You can get a resume review through the CSE Career Center by scheduling an appointment online, emailing csecareer@umn.edu, or attending a drop-in. There will also be a virtual resume marathon event on Friday, February 5th to get feedback on your resume from an employer. Sign up by Wednesday, February 3rd at 11:59 p.m. Take a look at your Gold Pass powered by Handshake account. This account is a great way to showcase your experience beyond your resume, and employers like to look at it to learn more about you. Make sure everything is up to date and that the content reflects your engagement and your field of interest. Next, you want to consider the equipment that you're using as well as your environment. First things first, you're going to have to download the Career Fair Plus app or use the Career Fair Plus website and complete your profile to schedule meetings with recruiters. You can start doing this beginning on February 1st, but don't wait because times may book up. Career Fair Plus offers a great tutorial for how to do this, and the link is in the description of this video. Use the Career Fair Plus app to research companies and position titles. You can also use Handshake to research position descriptions. Make notes on what you'd like to talk about with employers and questions to ask them. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try testing it using a video call the day before the fair just to make sure there's a smooth connection with no lag. Plug into a wired connection if you're able. We recommend using a computer if possible. Log into the Career Fair Plus website to join your meetings. You should set up your devices in a quiet space with a clean background and plenty of lighting. With your device and your workspace ready to go, it's time to think about your attire for the fair. Make sure you dress in business professional clothing, just as you would for an in-person job fair. Check out our CSE Career Center Pinterest page for attire ideas. Log into your meeting 1 to 2 minutes prior to the start. During your video call, sit up straight and maintain eye contact by looking at your camera, not at your screen. Try to smile, nod, and engage actively with the employer. Be ready to talk about yourself. Introduce yourself and share information about who you are and what you're looking for. Look at our career fair prep guide for elevator pitch examples. Just have a conversation and ask the employer questions based on your research. Some employers will have group meeting rooms you can visit to learn more about their company and chat using text with employers. You can sign up to attend a group meeting before the fair or just join the day of. You'll also be able to visit specific help rooms during the virtual CSE Career Fair to ask questions. There will be rooms for International Student and Scholar Services, the CSE Career Center, and the co-op program. Finally, it's important to be ready for any unforeseen circumstances with a video meeting. There's always the possibility of something unexpected like an interruption at home or a technical difficulty. Don't worry, this is completely normal and nothing that you can't handle. Remember, virtual career fairs are new for everybody. So take a deep breath, keep the conversation moving, and finish strong. When you're wrapping up your virtual meeting, make sure to get your recruiter's name and email, ask them how to apply for positions, and what is the best way to follow up on the status of your application. We hope that this video helps you feel more prepared for a virtual job fair. You can find more preparation resources and information about upcoming events on our career fair website, cse.umn.edu/careerfair. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at the career fair.